Installation operation. Check whether the accessories are complete after unpacking. Align the bottom corner with the holes on both sides of the bottom of the machine. Use a soft hammer to smash the bottom corner into the hole. Measure the distance between the intake pipe and the exhaust pipe. Punch holes where they are placed. Installation of exhaust, intake pipes and their accessories. Straighten the exhaust pipe. Put a clamp on one end. Screw into the bottom left interface. Take out the intake pipe and put a clamp on one end. Screw into the bottom right interface. Tighten the two clamps. Put the exhaust pipe and intake pipe into the punched hole for testing. Put it in normally. Mark at the bottom corner hole. Punch holes at the mark. Put the screw into the punched hole. Screw on 4 nuts. Install an air filter. Put a clamp on one end of the intake pipe. Screw the air filter into the intake pipe. Tighten the clamp. Put a fixing plate on the intake pipe sleeve and put in the fixing screws. Use equipment such as a drill to hold the screws in the desired position. Install the silencer. Put a clamp on one end of the exhaust pipe. Screw the silencer into the exhaust pipe. Tighten the clamp. Put the fixing screw and right angle fixing plate on the silencer. Screw on the nut to fix. Use a drill or other equipment to fix the yellow screws in the desired position. Flammable objects in contact with the exhaust pipe need to be filled with thermal insulation material. The exhaust pipe should be kept straight and not tilted upward to ensure smooth exhaust. Install heating ducts. Open the duct. Place the clamp at the duct interface. Install the air outlet interface. Tighten the clamp. Fix the heating duct in this position. Connect the power adapter. Remove the machine terminal position cover. Place the wire copper ring in the corresponding color and tighten it. Red positive charge, black negative charge. Remove the plastic sleeve from the plug. Connect the plug to the patch panel. At this time, the power adapter is green. The switch is powered on successfully. Press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after booting. Use double and the terminals. Remove the machine terminal position cover. Place the positive and negative copper rings in the corresponding color and tighten them. Positive and negative copper rings. Positive and negative interfaces for connecting devices such as batteries. Make sure to use the voltage specified in the product. Switch power on. Press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after booting.